What's up, you guys? How you doing? I am back with another video, so welcome back. I know I've been gone for a nice little while, but that's fine. I'm trying to get my YouTube game up, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna actually put more content out for you guys. But this video right here, I actually am doing a review on this lovely hair right here, a 16, 18, 20. So yes, as you can see, and I just wanted to basically talk about how I washed it and how I'm pretty much caring for it. It's been a month, so let's get right into the video, you guys. Boop, 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 boop. So this is actually a month review pretty much of this Peruvian Alley Grace hair. And I mean, it's pretty good right now. Yesterday, as you can see, it looks a bit dry due to the fact that I did wash it. So I wanted to air dry it since I don't have my blow dryer as far as the dryer that I can sit up under in. So I'm basically just spreading apart the braids that I braided yesterday. I air dry literally for 24 hours. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I mean, you don't have to. A lot of people like to do it overnight, which is cool. But I wanted to do an air dry throughout. Okay. So, and plus I didn't go anywhere yesterday. I had school and I had to take care of some other things and stuff, so I was like, let me not do anything to this hair right now. So since this hair is really curly, this is the regular curl pattern. This is loose wave, and I would say with the Alley Grace hair, it has been shedding. So as you can see, I don't know, it doesn't shed that much. Let me just move this out the way. It doesn't really shed that much, but I mean, that's still okay. Throughout the process, it is a bit dry, so don't worry about that. What I do want to do, I'm gonna go and get the blow dryer, and then I will be right back. Really quickly, I'm not sponsored. Ain't nobody sponsoring me in this video as far as the products goes. I just really wanted to show you all the products that I use. So as far as conditioner, I did use the olive oil conditioner. I just kind of picked it up at the beauty store, as well as the shampoo. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is definitely what I use. So as of right now, I like to go ahead and use the virgin hair fertilized oil. I already put maybe a couple of drops in right after I get out the shower. Okay, I'm back, you guys, and my leave out is pretty much nice and blew out. So I'm actually going to do a crimper. I'm going to do the crimper method today, but I really want to go ahead and flat iron it first. All right. So as you can see, I'm running my fingers through my hair, through my weave, just to kind of give it that nice fluffy look as I'm taking out my braids. I know before you didn't see my whole head full of braids, but I just wanted to kind of just put my fingers through it because I just think that is just the best way to manipulate your hair into the style and fluffy look that you actually want. So yep, that's exactly what I wanted to do. My hair is in a bit of a crisis, which is fine, but if it is, just kind of get a nice little Y2 comb and just, you know, go through it just a little bit, just to kind of give it that fluffy look, and just so it can just look even, look like it got some sense. Okay.
You feel me?
Put this back a little bit, but I'm gonna let y'all see how much is shedding. But mind you, this has been a month. Well, probably not even a month though. I got this hair. I installed this hair. I want to say maybe like September. It's what, October now? So like the end of September. So this is like the middle of October right now. Well, no, I'm lying. This is towards the end of October. So yeah, about a month. This is about a month. And I actually like it, you know. I mean, hair, I feel like hair is always gonna shed. It's gonna do its thing. When I first got it, it was basically just like this. Maybe just a little bit more curlier. I can also put up a picture. You can see the actual hair, how it like came out and when it was installed. And shout out to my girl Koi, she put my hair together. So you know what I'm saying? It was looking real nice, and it still look nice. So shouts out to her. She was very sweet. I want to add maybe just a little bit of the Lotta Body. Lotta Body has been like, you know, my go-to. If I have nothing else, this is my Shiznick here. So this is more like a shine mist. I don't think it does have oil in it as well. Well, it says no mineral oil, no silicones, no alcohol, non-greasy. So it does have coconut and shea oils in it. I would suggest what I'm about to do now, spray just very little. Spray very little, that's it. That's all you need. You don't need nothing else really, because from the conditioner, from the shampoo, from the little bit of the Sleek-Me blowout lotion, this is really good. Okay. And yes, my hair is kind of sticking up. I'm still working on that part. I don't know if I should like brush it down. I don't know, it's gonna do its thing. So if you have any like suggestions, either like leave a comment, you know what I mean? I'm very open-minded when it comes to like different, you know, ways to like do a sew-in. This is actually natural sew-in, so I don't have like a, what is it called? Those 360 parts. I always wanted to try that though, just so I can like do what I want to do with my hair. I just been doing the traditional way for a long time, and it's now what, 2020, so I'm not ashamed. You know, I think my hair still is bomb. It's beautiful. Yep. So yes, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will actually give more videos and give you more things to basically, you know, show you on how I pretty much do my home routines when it comes to my hair and my skin and just other stuff I got going on. So yes, stay tuned. Bye.